Hi Crystal, so just a quick video to talk through how to do this. So I'm just in the Code of Conduct final panel June 1st. This is the one I did yesterday just to try and fix the issue. So just for example, I'm clicking into the very first person in your panel here, and I'm going to click on edit. I'm then going to go down to the embedded data, and right down the bottom I'm just going to add an embedded data. It doesn't matter what it's called, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to call this test with a value of test. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. So what I'm basically doing is that this is refreshing the panel and adding like a new embedded data field manually to make sure all the embedded data fields kind of are recognized. So then all I need to do is just refresh the account. Then I can go back to Leslie, click on edit again, and just remove that embedded data field I added. So now it's back to the way it was. Click save, and now when I export the data, it should actually all be there correctly. So the next time this issue arises, could you just try something like that and then try and export again and let me know if this actually does fix your issue or not. It sounds like you might not be the person who actually makes these contact lists if you're not quite sure how they are created. So if possible, could you try and find the person who actually does make these contact lists, just so we can try and find if this is built through API, because if it is, then it more than likely is the same issue I related to yesterday, and then I can escalate it. But I don't want to escalate it if this isn't the issue, if it's something completely different. So if we could get a little bit more information on how this panel is built, then I'll be able to escalate this to the correct people and try and get this sorted once and for all. But in the meantime, if this issue does arise for you again, just try this trick and just see if this exports correctly.